Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today's video I'm going to give you step-by-step Notions tutorial for beginners in 2025. We will cover everything from creating pages and databases to using templates and making your workspace more productive. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first step, you just need to create your Notions account. So creating a Notion account is extremely easy. You just need to go over here and then click get Notions free. Once you click over here, then you just need to provide your email address, and once you did, then you just need to click continue. Or also you can go through with the Google, Apple, Microsoft login passkey or single sign on. It's an amazing one. It's totally up to you. So I already have an account, so if I click on over here get Notions free, it will redirect me to my pages. Here you can see that I have a couple of pages in that place. So if you want to delete those, you are allowed to delete that easily. So once you log in, you will land on your Notions workspace. Think of it as your central hub where all your page, notes, and database will lie. So now you just need to understand the interface. On the left sidebar, you will see your workspace name. Here you can see it. Then a list of pages and the search bar. Actually, you can see this is the search bar. So in the main area, that's where your current page will display. At the top right, you have options like share, update, and setting. Here you can see that. And Notions work with block system. Every piece of content, where it is text, an image, or a to-do list, is a block you can move around. So it's an amazing thing. So now you just need to create. Let's create our first page. So that for a reason, the process is really simple. You just need to go over here to the private, or you can come over to that place and click on add a page options. Just click this one and give your page a title like my dashboard on my street. And once you did, then you can add icon and a cover to make it visually happening. Like here you can see that I'm going to add the cover, so that for reason I will click over here, and I found out that this cover is not quite good, so I'll click over here change cover, and I will choose that one, and I think this one will be quite good. Let's say I will click this one, like click change cover, and I will choose this one. I think this one is okay, and then you can reposition it as it you want. It's totally up to you. And then click on set position, and once you did, then it will be add. Now if you want to add the icon, you just need to click this add icon options, and from that place you can add an icon in here as it you want. So you can start typing. For example, you can say that a heading like here and slash heading, and you can see there is a heading one. You can choose this one to add heading, or to do to create a to-do list. Like let's say I'm going to add to do, and here you can see we already get this to-do list option. So it's totally an amazing thing and so much easy if you understand it perfectly. Now we are going to add block and basic formatting. In Notion, you just need to be use the slash command to add different blocks. Let's say if you want to add text, you just need to be type the slash, then you just need to be write text, and you will get this text block. I'm going to add the block that will be my name is Andy on working, and that's it. I already add the text. If you want to add the bullet point, you just need to be type slash and search for bullet, and you will get this bullet list. So you just need to click this one. That bullet list is a content creator, and this is my another bullet point. Then similarly, if you want to add numbered list, for numeric list, you just need to be come over here and then again type slash and numeric list, and here you can see the numeric list already been added. That is stripped and it already been added. Similarly, if you want to add toggle for collapse section, you just need to be do slash and then search for toggle, and you will get this toggle list. So here I'm going to add the thing like subscribe our channel, and here you just need to be click this one, it will open, and here you just need to be type that our channel name is how to digital, and that's it. I already been added. and the collapse toggle is working perfectly. In this way, you can add content in here. So you can drag and drop blocks to rearrange them, highlight text to add bold, italic colors and links. So this kind of a thing you are allowed. Like let's say I'm going to add the bold one, italic one, underline one, then structure options, then you can mark as a code also, you can add mark as equations, like you can see it. This kind of a thing you are allowed to do it in here. So now I will use template. Like Notion comes with built-in templates to set time. On the sidebar, you just need to click on this template, and from that place you are allowed to add the template in here easily. So you will see categories, like let's say I will click over here templates, and from that one I will click this like create calendar, or I can say that I will add calendar in here. So that for reason I'll click over here, and from that place you can duplicate this one, but I don't want to duplicate that, so I will click this one. I will create a new page, and in this page I'm going to add the template, and here we already come into the discover one. You can go with the work one. Like here you will find out a couple of template, as you can see, the marketing one, then the content brief. Like here you can see content brief. Like if you're a content creator or a school one, like you are a student, then you can go with the student planner. You can go with the life planner also. Like you will see categories like personal task management, project management. For example, select the weekly agenda template to start planning your week instantly. Let's say I will click over here to the work, and from that place I will find out that which one go with my niche. Like let's find it out. No, nothing is available, so I'll click onto the live, and from that place I will go with dating, relationship, health, fitness, food, nutrition, website building, hobbies, personal productivity, personal finance, religion, seasonal, then travel, friends and family, housing, career building. So I'll go with the career building, and from that one you will able to see that my context Rodex, AI job tracker, then job tracker ultimate, the internship, job application tracker, and many more. Let's say I will click over here to the discover, and here I will find out total budget tracker, then company database, and Notion's annual planning. Or if you want to search your planning, you can go with that one. So I will search for weekly agenda here, and here you will find out that, let's say I will search it, and from that one it will take a couple of minutes to the loading, so we just need to be wait a bit. So here you can see we have a couple of weekly agenda in here. Let's say I will go with that one, or you can go with that free one. I will click this one, and I will add this in my weekly tracker. So here I will click over here to the add, and I will add it to the private one. So I'll click this one, template is being added. We will let you know when it is ready, and you can see it already been added. So I'll click over here, see template, and here you can see it already been added. You just need to add your habit. This is the to-do list. You just need to add the to-do list from Monday to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and you can add the list in here actually. So it is an amazing thing for you if you are not productive, or you are not able to plan your weekendly agenda. This will help you so much. Now, if you want to create a database, database are one of the Notion's most powerful feature. You can create a new page like table, then choose table inline and add columns for task, status, and due date. You can switch views between table, board list, calendar, and Clarity. You can link pages and organize also. You can create a link database or link to another page with page name, and you can use nested page to keep your workspace organized. For example, a work page with subpage for each project. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And that's your beginner friendly Notions tutorial for 2025. Start with a simple setup and customize it as you go. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop your Notions questions in the comment below. Thanks for watching.